Hi guys, so welcome to my YouTube channel. And so guys, today I want you guys to make with me chapati, Kenyan chapatis. Yeah, so this is my flour. The reason why you can see my flour already here is that I removed my flour in the freezer, so I kept here so that the coldness can go. Yeah, so this is my flour, this is also my flour. Yeah, and I'll be also using egg, then there's sugar, there's salt, then there is olive oil, and I'll be making bean stew. Right, so guys, stay tuned as I do this. First of all, let me just make the dough. I'll mix everything here, then let me make the dough, then I'll come back later, we roll, then make the chapatis, and I'll also make the bean stew with you guys. And so guys, before I even continue, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly please subscribe. Just beg you to subscribe, like and share, and take me to 100 subscribers. By the way, we are still at 70. Yeah, we are still at 70 subscribers, so please guys, take me to 100 subscribers. Yeah, this is how I make it. I make my dough. Yeah, there we go. So here I'll just be with some olive oil. Yeah, so let me just mix, then catch up later when the dough is ready. I'll mix it, then leave it to settle for a while before I come rolling. So guys, let me just finish mixing, then see you later. Bye, stay tuned. Okay, so guys, my dough is almost ready. I'm just kneading it, then I'll be leaving it for like 5 minutes, so for it to settle. Then, so at this point you can add a little of your oil so that it cannot stick on the whatever, on this thing. Yeah, so as you can see, I'll leave it at this point to settle for a while, for like 5 minutes. Then yeah, catch up later when it is ready. So meanwhile, as I leave it to settle, let us make the potatoes, onions and tomatoes for my beans. Yeah, yes. So guys, meanwhile, let's make these onions and tomatoes for my stew. Don't mind my tomatoes the way they are looking like. Hakuna nyanya huku, nyanya zimepotea, zimekuwa adimu sana. So yeah, we go with what we are having. So this, let's cut them faster, right? The reason why I'm doing this is because once I start cooking, I don't want to do other things. It's just cooking throughout. So that's why nakata kwanza hizi, kisha wakati nitaanza kutengeneza chapati zangu nitakuwa tayari. Nikishamaliza I'll be proceeding to making my stew. I love my onions when I cut them this way. Like, they look so beautiful, and yeah, they just look beautiful, and I love them so much. By the way guys, something you don't know, look at this, it is from here. It is harbon mushkila, yani imeharibika, shida hii. But let's continue let's focus to what we are doing. And guys, please kindly take me to 100 subscribers from this video. Please just share with your friends. If at all you come across this video, just share, then ask your friends to subscribe. Ndashukuru sana. Let me see something. Yeah, so guys, here you are. There you go. These are my carrots, my tomatoes, garlic, then onions. Yeah, so I'll be also using tomato paste. And these are my spices. This black pepper, curry powder, chili powder, turmeric, then masala. Yeah. So guys, I'm done with this, so I'll start making my dough. It's also ready, as you can see. It's also ready, so let's start rolling the chapatis. Stay tuned. Sasa hizi tutaziweka kando. There you go. Kisha tutapanguza hapa, tunaenda kutumia hapa ndipo tunaenda kutumia kuroll chapati zetu. For the chapatis, I'll be rolling using this oil. So we start with putting the oil of the flour on the surface so that it cannot stick on the surface, right? You see? So good. You know, the reason I don't like cooking is that nikiamua kupika huwa nachafua kila kitu, alafu najichafua mwenyewe sana. So I don't like cooking. And also here I don't cook. I cook on occasions, like kama nimetamani chakula za Kenya, it's when I cook. But it is what it is. So guys, we roll. Then after rolling, I'll just pour oil. Oof, that's a lot, but not that much. Then I'll just spread my oil here. Ooh, this one big chapati, like it is so big. But no guys, I'm not going to make just like that. Then I'll put some flour on top. Then I'll cover it. As you can see what I'm doing. Just stay tuned, then see what I'll be doing. How I'm gonna make my sweet, sweet, sweet chapatis. Can't wait to see the final results of this. Ew. Okay, there you go. So here I'll be just cutting. I want to make 1, 2, let's make 6. Yes. So zinakaa hivi, kisha tutaweka hapa. Tutaziweka kwenye pani yetu hapo. Hivyo. Wala sijui nimekata ndogo sana, sielewi. Lakini ni sawa tu. It is what it is. See? They look so beautiful, aren't they? So guys, stay tuned. I start rolling one by one as I cook, then see how they will look like. So easy to make. So guys, yeah, mi kuchoma chapati kwanza, waziona nimezichoma. Alafu nataka kumaliza, kisha ndio nianze kuziweka kwenye mafuta. Ooh, what was that? wasn't good. So nachomwa. So the making of the stew starts. Some salt. Then you can add your tomatoes, carrots, and garlic. As for me, I don't like overcooking the tomatoes and everything, so at this point I'll be adding my spices. Then add your beans. I'm not going, or should I just use all of it? Yes. Let me just prepare all of it so that in case itabaki, I'll have to store it. Yeah, so there you go. At this point, guys, you have to cook on low heat, right? Yes. Okay, here's the final look. Guys, I can't wait to eat this. And also, just make it so beautiful, just the way I've done it. And so, thank you for watching. Bye, and see you in the next video. Toodoo!